Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the power running board is located. If yours is equipped with that one, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays so you don't pay ridiculous price at the parts store, and why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't spend your money and time on something you don't need to. Stay with us, we'll explain all that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. We'll demonstrate specifically on the 2016 Ford F-150. Now, this one doesn't have, guys, that we demonstrated the power running boards, but if you have one equipped with the power running boards, the fuse will be there. We'll show you which one you need to check. The fuse box is located under the hood, guys. Once you open the hood, this is your car battery there. Let me zoom in a little bit. You can see, and behind the car battery you have a fuse box right there that you need to open. And once you open that cover, your fuse box will look just like that. That's the layout right here. Now that fuse box, guys, the front of your F-150 will be on this side. This is towards the windshield side. First, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, you can see that your Ford will have all kinds of different fuses, and if you blow a fuse in a small town in the middle of nowhere, a relay, anything like that, those could be really hard to find, or they can be ridiculously overpriced. Sometimes it's in parts stores. So we recommend to keep some spares in the glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So check it out. Now, the fuse that we need to check for the power running boards will be in that fuse panel right here. And if you come in the very left row, we need to check fuse number 50, which will be that first fuse on top right here. Ours doesn't have it because it's not equipped with them, but if you have it, it will be that fuse right here. Check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.